What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding by extending out their downspout. So let's get into it. All right, well, the problem is now they have the extensions going over and they're having a bunch of water pooling in here, and that's because the water is immediately dumping right there. The neighbor's water is also contributing to it, but if we take away at least this side of the water that contributes to over half the house, well, then this should make sure that this is a whole lot less of standing water, and maybe even no standing water, because the ground might be able to absorb it all. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this, go all the way out, come out here, go all the way down towards the front of the yard, which we called in the markouts and everything, and then have this stop right around up in here. So that way, then the water can come up, facilitate out, and flow the rest of the way down towards the street and water the grass. So let's get started. And here we go. I have it all dug out now. Missed the cable line. They had the fake old cable line there. Got the sprinkler line going all the way down. Sprinkler pump line. We have everything going. How this is going to work. We're going to hook up to this downspout. It's going to go in, go under everything, and then we're going to shoot it all the way out here to the front. So then that way there'll be nothing feeding the backyard. So now to pipe it all up. All right, now everything is completely piped up. Got the clean out, got everything in. As you can see, start off completely all the way downhill level. Comes around the corner. Then we're downhill to level here. Have it go. Everything's gonna keep flowing, flowing, flowing. All the way down here. Where we also have it downhill to level. And it goes more under all the sprinkler lines. Down everything. Then we got the last section, which I always try to make sure it's even more downhill to level. All the water is going to come down to here, to the mini dry well. Build in, we got the holes drilled. We're going to have the filter cloth burrito wrapped over all of the rock in there, so all the water facilitates down, comes down, builds up to the mini dry well. It tries to soak into the ground and build up. Once the ground can't hold anymore, then it'll build up all the way and pop up out of the pop-up. When there's no more head pressure, it goes back down, and then the water can drain back into the ground to help prevent against freezing. Now, to backfill it all and show you how it works. And here we go. This is how you clean out the system and how you test the system. Put it into the clean out furthest away, which is in the back. Hose in, the water comes down, goes 90s, comes all the way down here to the front. Where we have all the water coming. You can hear it, hear it, hear it. Building up. We gotta go 70 feet down the side. And it should be here in a moment. And this is also off of hose power. When we have an actual rain event, the water's going to get here even quicker. So we're just waiting for it to show up. You can hear it. So when it does come down, it's going to come down and then immediately start filling up the mini dry well. Under. And there's the water. It's coming. It's going. As you can see, it's already starting to build up into the mini dry well. And when this builds up, it'll end up maxing out. When it maxes out, then it'll build up, and then overflow. So now, we're just waiting for it to build up and overflow, and anything in the system will always come right here to the end. All you gotta do is take the pop-up off, throw your hand in there, and pull anything out. Now, wait for it to overflow. And here we go. All the water comes down to the end. When it finally finishes building up and the dry well's maxed out, water comes out, facilitates over. Obviously, when this is raining, this will actually be up like this, letting all the water stream out fast. And then the water just comes, goes, go down here, drain into the ground and out to the street. That's exactly how you help eliminate water from flooding your yard, by extending out your downspouts. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.